Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In the last episode we actually opened the carburetor and cleaned it all up, and then the bike was running pretty good, but it was smoking a lot of oil. So today's episode is the last time we're going to see the Z50r fully assembled, because we're going to take it all apart, everything from wheels, suspension, brake, even get the engine out. We're not gonna be painting stuff today or repairing stuff today. We're just gonna take it all apart, see what needs to be done, and then from there I'll be able to order all the parts we need, and we'll be able to slowly work on it as time goes on. So yeah, let's take it apart.
Purchase your tracks today.
Gear is not really straight anymore, so I'm gonna have to order a new one, and I'm gonna order a rear one at the same time, so I don't want them to get even more crooked and fuck everything up. So as you can see, the gears are not straight anymore. So now I'm gonna take off the rear end. Before that, I need to loosen up the adjustment bolts for the rear wheel, bring the wheel up, get the chain out, and then we can remove the wheels and the rear suspension.
Maybe.
I'm sorry for the angles. I really don't have much space in the shed, so I don't have the opportunity to actually film closely to the subject. I try to place my camera where I can, but that's gonna change soon. We're gonna be redoing all the shed. I'm gonna go from 8 foot square of workspace to 24 or something like that. So now that the wheels are a little bit forward, we can actually get the chain off. So just like that, and get. I need space. Holy shit. Now it's a good time to look at the brakes. They actually look like they have some life left, but they're still really used. So I'm gonna change them for brand new ones. Alright, so I realized oil was leaning the bike backward because I removed one of the screw that holds the magneto cover. Just so it doesn't happen after, I'm gonna remove the oil right now, and I think that's gonna be it for tonight, and the rest is gonna be in the next episode. So see you guys in the next episode. Bye.